Okay, so to add the accessibility feature for text to speech, what you want to do is scroll down here to the bottom and then click on, just going to click on that number 2. If you didn't have a number 2, that's for the number of messages. What you would do is you could just click on the little Wi-Fi symbol. But either way, you get over here to this part of the Chromebook. What you want to do from here is click on this gear setting. And then what you want to do is over here on the left side, click on advanced and then accessibility. And so now, first thing you want to turn on is accessibility. Always show accessibility option in the menu, in the system menu. So toggle that on. And so what that's going to do is you're going to see accessibility features down here at the bottom. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to manage the features. So I'm going to click here. And what I'm going to turn on is enable select to speak. So what that means is I can select words and it'll speak them. Okay, so I'm going to turn that on. And then we can open the settings. So the select to speech, you want to select a voice. So right now it defaults to the system voice, but you can come back in here and change them if you wanted them to be in German, Spanish, French, other languages. Okay, so I'm going to leave it to the system text to speech voice. Personalize the text to speech setting. So you can click on text to speech settings, and then here you could personalize them so it makes more sense to you. So you can slow it down. You can change the pitch and then the volume. So you can come back in here and change that around. Here you can hit play and then it'll give you an example.
Hi there, I'm your text-to-speech voice.
Okay, that's the example. So let's say you wanted to slow it down. That's a little too fast.
Hi there, I'm your text-to-speech voice.
Okay, slows it down. If you wanted to change the pitch.
Hi there, I'm your text-to-speech voice.
Okay.
Hi there, I'm your text-to-speech voice.
Okay, so you can adjust it there. And then the volume too. So that just changes the volume. Here again, you could change the preferred voices. Right now it's set to Chrome operating system, United States English. So you can click United Kingdom English. Right? Keep it to United States English. And then more languages. So if you wanted it to read back in a different language, okay, you can pick there. Okay, I'm gonna leave that there for now. And this one right here, text to speech. Make this window smaller so we can see what it has. So eSpeak NG text to speak extension. So these are more extensions if you want to customize it even more. But I'm gonna leave that alone for now. Okay, so we're done with this. I'm gonna hit the back arrow. This takes us back to the first screen that we were on. Okay, so really all we did was just enable the select to speak. We just turned that on. So when we select text, we're going to make it speak to us, okay? So what it did is down here, it turned this on. That's what we just turned on. So I'm going to show you what it does. So I am going to close this out. And let's say I wanted to go to I'm going to go here, and let's say I wanted the text to speech to read this part right here. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the speaker. And so that just turned it on. And so now this red box pops up. So what I'm doing is I'm just holding and I'm selecting it. And as soon as I let go,
web result with site links. Newsella, instructional content platform. Newsella.com. Result options. We take authentic content from the world's most trusted providers and turn it into learning materials that are classroom ready. Sign into Newsela with Google, Microsoft, Clever.
When I want it to stop, I just come down here and click on that. So it's reading a little bit more than what I wanted it to. But once you start messing with it, let's say if I just select that part right there, I'm going to click that.
We take authentic content from the world's most trusted providers and turn it into learning materials that are classroom ready.
Okay, so that's how you get it to select, to read only certain things. Okay, so I'm going to click one time just to unselect it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tap it one more time. No, I'm going to tap it one more time to turn it off. And so now if we had a Google Doc, let's say I'm going to pause it right now and I'm going to upload a Google Doc into Google Classroom. Okay, so what I did is I uploaded a document. So let's say you are in your Google Classroom and you get an assignment. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this assignment. And then let's say this right here is the one that I'm working on. So I'm going to click on that. Okay, so let's say I wanted it to read this line right here. So what I can do is I come down here and then I turn on the speaker. Okay, so now I'm going to hold and highlight that. And then when I let go, it read that. Okay, so if I want it to read this part right here, I would have to come back again to the little speaker, click on it when it turns into that box. And so now I just put those words inside the box and let go.
Please watch the following video clips and answer a discussion question.
Okay, and then I just keep doing that over and over and over again. Speaker, and then the box, and then I let go.
Using video 2, please answer what did you know about the Vietnam War before watching the video? What did you learn after the video? Please send at least 2 to 3 sentences.
Okay, so that's how that works. If you have any other questions, I'm trying to think of what else you might need, but I think that should be it.